Hi everyone, I want to do a math lesson right now. So I want to first review our two kinds of measurements that we learned about so far. So let's talk about this one. Does anybody remember what this is called? Right, it's length. And remember, we can measure how long something is and how short something is. And the other kind of measurement we learned about was height. And height is how tall something was or how short something is. We have a new one today. Today we're going to learn about this one. It's called weight. And weight talks about how heavy something is or how light it is. Can you try that? How heavy something is? Try it. Good. Or how light something is. Try it. Awesome. So I have our workbook pages, and we're going to do them together. It's called Compare Weight, and the directions are asking me to pick two objects to put on this teeter-totter. Because this teeter-totter kind of looks like a scale that people use to measure things. And one side is down and one side is up. Does anybody know what's going on, why one side is down and one side is up? Tell a grown-up. Exactly. The side that is down is heavier than the side that is up. So the side that is lighter. So I picked two objects in my house because it says to pick them in my classroom, but I'm not in my classroom. So I picked this Christmas pencil and a banana. And I need to put them on this teeter-totter. So I need to think about which one is heavier and which one is lighter. What do you think? Let's start with the banana. Where should I draw the banana on my teeter-totter? Should I draw it on the top or on the bottom? Right, on the bottom. So I'm gonna do my best to draw a little. Sorry, I forgot my date and my name, so I put that. Here's my banana. My banana is heavier than my pencil. So I put it on the bottom of the teeter-totter. And then up at the top of my teeter-totter, I put my pencil. All right, I'm gonna flip it over, and we're gonna learn our new math words that go with weight. Here's our see and show, and here's our three math words for today. The first one is weight. Can you say that? Good. Our second one, heavier. Can you say that? And our third one is lighter. Can you say that? Good. Directions for number one. Compare the objects. So we're looking at a shoe and a pencil. And when we compare things, we think about what's similar and different. And for this, we're talking about weight. So they want us to think about which is heavier and which is lighter. So here's a scale that looks like our teeter-totter. And we have a line from the shoe to the side that's down, means it's heavier. And then we have the pencil going to the side that's lighter. Let's go to our computer and our mouse. It says compare the objects. Circle the object that is heavier. Which one do you think I should circle? Right, this big computer. Then it says draw an X over the lighter object, which is that little mouse right there. Awesome. Next two objects, a helmet and a bike. Compare the objects. So let's look at the helmet and the bike and think about which one is heavier and which one is lighter. And we're going to do the same thing. I need to circle the object that's heavier. Which one should I circle? Right, the bike. And I need to put a big old X on the lighter. Right, the helmet. Awesome. Let me get the next page. And if we had time and we were in our room, I would look for all my word wall words and circle them. All right, this is the on my own page. But we're going to do it together because you don't have your books. All right, number 4, it's the same thing with a scale. They want us to compare the objects. And the first object is a paper clip. And the second one looks like it could be a lunchbox. Maybe a tackle box for fishing. I'm not even sure. But we need to draw a line and put these where they would go on this scale. So we need to think about which one's heavier and which one's lighter. Let's start with the paper clip. Is the paper clip lighter or heavier than the lunchbox? Right, it's lighter. I'm gonna put it right here in the scale. And the lunchbox is definitely heavier. I'm gonna put it over here in the scale. Nice job. Number 5, compare the objects. It's a bowl and a wooden spoon. And they want us to circle the object that is heavier. So do you think I should circle the bowl or the spoon? The spoon. I mean the bowl, not the spoon. Sorry. The bowl is definitely heavier. And put a big old X on the object that is lighter. All right. Ooh, the last one. We have 2 gallons of colored milk or colored juice or Kool-Aid or I don't know what's in there. It says compare the objects. Decide if one is heavier, lighter, or are they the same, being equal? What do you guys think? I think they're the same. So it says draw a line under them to show that they are equal. Can you do the equal sign for me? Equal. Awesome. We have one more side to do. The problem solving side. And number 7 is the problem solving side. And it says, draw an X on the items that are too heavy for you to lift up. So let's look at each object. Here we have a lunchbox. Oh wait, I'm so sorry. I didn't tell you what to do. We're gonna draw an X if they're too heavy, and we're gonna circle them if they are light enough to carry. So the first one is a lunchbox. Can you carry a lunchbox? Yes or no? Yes, I'm gonna circle that. What about this dump truck filled with rocks? Can you carry that? I can't, no way. A big old X. Ooh, a bed. Can you carry a bed? By yourself, at least? No way. A refrigerator? Mm-mm. A feather? Yes. A hairbrush? Yeah, I think everyone can carry a hairbrush. What about a cute little kitten? Can you carry a cute little kitten? Yeah, I can too. A pencil? For sure. And the last one, an elephant. And this is not a toy elephant, this is a real elephant. Can you lift a real elephant? Nah. All right, that is it. We learned about weight today. Now, after you watch this, I want you to go on IXL and do some practice with weight. And I'll see you tomorrow for another lesson. Goodbye.